today I am going to show people how to give dogs a shot. First, you clean them off where you want to give the shot. Wait. I'm gonna give the shot right there. Then we dab it with a cotton ball. Wait, let me see if there's any more of those in there.
Just 7.
Then what you do next is you do that. You give it a shot. That's all.